Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Update with उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें जिससे आपको हमारी न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 26 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 25 इम्पॉर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं जिनके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। कारगिल विजय दिवस इज सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर ऑन एंड द आंसर इज 26 जुलाई। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, वर्ल्ड मैनग्रूव डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर ऑन एंड द आंसर इज 26 जुलाई। Third question, Justice Vipul M. Pancholi took oath the Chief Justice of which state's High Court? And the answer is Bihar. Fourth question, who wrote the book The New World, 21st Century, Global Order and India? And the answer is Ram Madhav. Fifth question, Justice M.S. Ramchandra Rao took oath as the Chief Justice of which state's High Court? And the answer is Tripura. Sixth question, which bank raised rupees 25,000 crore through India's largest ever qualified institutional placement in July 2025? And the answer is SBI. Seventh question, what is the name of the scheme that allows young Indians to live, work or study in the UK for up to 2 years? And the answer is India Young Professionals Scheme. Eighth question, lumpy skin disease that was recently seen in news is mostly occurred in which species or group? And the answer is cattle. Ninth question, recently Narendra Modi became India's second longest serving Prime Minister by surpassing whom? And the answer is Indira Gandhi. 10th question, who has been appointed as the new chairman of insurance regulator IRDAI? And the answer is Ajay Seth. फुल फॉर्म IRDAI का है इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी एंड डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया। 11th question, which is the first G7 country to announce that it will officially recognize the state of Palestine in September 2025? And the answer is France. 12th question, in which upcoming Olympic Games will cricket be included after 128 years? And the answer is Los Angeles 2028. 13th question, what is the name of the declaration adopted at the end of the Youth Spiritual Summit in Varanasi? And the answer is Kasi Declaration. 14th question, which ministry is commemorating the birth anniversary of Rajendra Chola I through the Adi Tiruvathirai festival from 23rd to 27 July 2025? And the answer is Ministry of Culture. 15th question, which country has decided to grant tourist visas to Chinese nationals after 5 years? And the answer is India. 16th question, recently who has been appointed as the CEO of Sansad TV? And the answer is Utpal Kumar Singh. 17th question, when was the recently retired MiG-21 aircraft inducted into the Indian Air Force? And the answer is 1963. 18th question, what percentage of ethanol blending in petrol has India received in 2025? And the answer is 20%. 19th question. PM Modi has been invited as a chief guest for the 60th Independence Day of which country? And the answer is Maldives. 20th question. The Gorbia Solar Power Project has been inaugurated in which state? And the answer is Rajasthan. 21st question. What is the name of committee constituted by central government to handle major disasters with national impact? And the answer is option number 4, National Crisis Management Committee. 22nd question. Which country has recently experienced a massive outbreak of the toxic algae Karenia mikimotoi? And the answer is Australia. 23rd question. The Ministry of Women and Child Development has introduced Palna scheme under which mission? And the answer is Mission Shakti. 24th question. What is the theme of 4th edition of World Food India 2025? And the answer is Processing for Prosperity. And the last 25th question. Which state has become a national leader in implementing the Panchayats Extension to Scheduled Areas Act 1996? And the answer is मध्य प्रदेश. तो ये थे 26 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज. और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे. तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन. According to a recently released report, India has increased intellectual property filling by how much percent in the last 5 years? Second question. Recently, who has successfully launched the Samudra Prachet pollution control vessel built for the Indian Coast Guard? Third question. India's first 50 kilowatt geothermal power plant utilizing fully indigenously developed technology will be established in which state? Fourth question. Recently renowned theatre personality and Padma Shri awardee Ratan Thiam died at the age of 77. In which year he was awarded with Padma Shri? And the last fifth question. Who won the gold medal in the long jump event at the World Athletics Portugal Sports Meet with a jump of 7.75 meters? इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है.